welcome back to Jagalia Apparel. So today we are going to be making the pencil skirt. We're going to be sewing. We've already done the drafting, we've cut the fabric, and today we are going to be sewing. If you can see, I already ironed the skirt. This is the folding where the zip will be and where the slit will also be. Alright, so this is the band. I've also ironed it. I actually added a paper stay just to gum it together so that it can be firm while sewing. When I sew it on the skirt, it can be firm. Okay, so let's start sewing. The first thing I'm going to be doing is to sew the dart. I'm going to sew the dart. If you see, I have already marked out where the dart will be. Now the inches for the dart is not longer than 5 inches. So if you look at it, just 5 inches. Can you see? 5 inches. So not more than 5 inches long. So I'm going to be sewing the dart right now. So let's sew with me. Alright, so I'm done sewing the dart for the front and the back as well. I've sewn the darts for the front and the back. So the next thing is I'm going to be joining the back together. If you remember, the back was divided into two. So I'm going to be joining it together. But before I do that, I am going to leave the space for the zip. Where the zip is going to be, I will measure 8 inches. I'm going to measure 8 inches down. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to measure 8 inches down, just 8 inches down, then mark with chalk, then I will be joining. Just make sure this two is in place. Make sure both tally are in place. Right, so I'm going to take this and also measure down. I'm going to take, this is the down part of the skirt, so I'm going to measure. Don't forget where the slit will be, so I'm going to measure 8 inches upward as well. 8 inches where the slit is going to also begin. So in between, I'm going to join the back together. So let's sew. So it has been joined together, and then the next, because I want the slit to overlap. Okay, I want it to overlap. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this. I'm going to turn it like this. And just so you see what I mean. When I'm done, it's going to, by the time I open it up, it's going to overlap. Can you see? Can you see? So can you see? It's going to overlap. It's the zip has been fixed. So the next thing is to join the front and the back together. The two parts has been joined together. The two parts has been joined together. Can you see? It has been joined together. So the next thing is to join the band, attaching the band to the skirt. That's the next thing. We're going to be attaching the band to the skirt. We're going to start from the back. So please watch me as I join. Watch me as I join. See what I'm doing. I'm going to turn this. I'm going to turn it backward. That's why I added extra. Can you see? I'm going to turn this backward and join. Alright? Turn this backward and join. Attaching the band right now. Join with the skirt. Almost. So we are done. You can see attach the band to the skirt, attached it. So and I've also gone ahead to put, you see, this is a pressing button. You can use a hook, whichever one you want, whichever one is available to you. You can add a hook. And then the next thing is we are going to pipe this down part. So but what I'm going to do is I'm not going to sew it. I will not use the sewing machine to sew it, but instead I'm going to be using hemming gum. So I'm going to use hemming gum to tape this down. I'm going to use the hemming gun, and so I'm going to be doing this on the pressing iron, using the pressing iron to gum this down. You're going to see, so just watch me. So, I've applied the hemming gun, so I'm going to use the iron right now. So go with done ironing. You can see I am done ironing, and this is, so you're gonna see it on me. Just hold on a moment and you are going to see So if you like what we've done today, don't forget to like this video. Also leave your comment. If you have any question regarding the skirt that we made, please leave your comment. If there are questions, I will do my best to answer those questions. If you are yet to subscribe, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification button so that you can always know whenever I upload a new video. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to try your own pencil skirt. Go and sew your own pencil skirt and let's see. Bye. I'll see you in the next video.